What are snap-on veneers? These are the type of veneers that you can buy off internet, Amazon and eBay, and I'm showing you the type of them on the side of the video. But let's talk about them. Let's be serious and see if they're good or they can work or they're the cheaper version of getting proper veneers. Why are they so cheap compared to what the dentist does for you? So getting a proper dental porcelain veneer, it's probably going to cost you about, what, $2,000 per tooth or more. And then you're looking at snap-on veneers, which you can get the whole thing for much, much, much less. But the problem with the snap-on veneers, besides everything else that I can tell you, for example, the looks of them, which obviously is not going to be as good or sometimes even good at all, the problem with them is mainly the fact that, like Invisalign trays, they're going to go on the surface of your teeth. If you have had Invisalign and tried to eat with them, you will know what I'm talking about. You are not able to eat with something attached to all of the surfaces of your teeth. There is an art and science that goes into making veneers in a way that the patient can still use their teeth, same as before, even sometimes better, and the functionality is not taken away from the teeth. Now, when we look at snap-on veneers, we have to also look at the hygiene side of things. So not only you cannot eat with them when you're out, if that's the whole point of putting them on and going out for a better look, if you can't afford proper veneers, we are looking at going out without friends and not being able to eat because it's impossible to bite or chew with. Not only they might pop out, but also it's painful to eat with anything attached to the surface of your teeth. They look fake and usually not nice at all. But on the other hand, you have to look at the hygiene side of things. They're not properly fitted to your teeth. Whatever you do, whatever the manufacturer is telling you, if they tell you you can take the impressions yourself, send it back to us, and it is custom made, it's still something extra attached to the surface of your teeth, exactly like Invisalign. But the thing is, the point with Invisalign is that it is only for a short period of time, let's say for a year or so, not for a very long time. Not to mention, with Invisalign, you remove them and then eat. With these veneers, you can't really take them out in front of other people and then eat with your regular teeth and put them back on. So you're going to at least have some drinks. And these drinks are always acidic. They're going to go underneath the surface of these snap-on veneers and they're going to erode your teeth. They're going to cause gum disease and gum recession and potentially loss of teeth. So by using these snap-on veneers, trying to get a slight better look, you're basically ruining whatever you have. I sympathize with the fact that veneers are much more expensive. For a lot of people, they might not be affordable. And I would argue that they are also not a necessity. You can avoid having veneers and still have an okay smile or a nice smile. I don't have veneers on. Now, I completely understand also, on the other hand, there are people who have had specific disease, genetic disease, they have had radiation therapy, they have had chemotherapy, they didn't have the ability to take care of their teeth, let's say. And they have some stains on the teeth, broken teeth, whatever. They're not happy with the looks of their teeth. And my heart goes out to those people because we are all supposed to be able to smile with comfort and relax and don't have to worry about how we look. But the snap-on veneers are not the answer. If we cannot afford proper veneers by a dental professional who's done them so many times, so they know the ins and outs, benefits, risks, advantages, disadvantages, I would never recommend having snap-on veneers. If we absolutely have to do them for a specific function or going somewhere or taking some photos, for example, I would recommend not eating or drinking with them anything but water. If you cannot afford having veneers, but you're not happy with your smile, first thing first, I recommend talking to your dentist, a registered dental professional who can give you other options. A healthy smile is always much more beautiful than an unhealthy smile. So if you place these snap-on veneers and let's say drink with them and even try and eat with them, cause gum disease, your teeth will be lost, you will have lots of stains. So eventually you're going to have worse looking teeth than what you were trying to last with the snap-on veneers. Secondly, talk to your dentist and see what are your other options. Veneers are not the only options. You can do dental cleaning, hygiene appointments to make sure your gums look nice. You can do slight teeth whitening or bleaching maybe, but you have to talk to your dentist to see if you're suitable to have some. Other type of veneers that are much more affordable are composite veneers. I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you had any questions or comments, comment below and I'll get back to you in my next video.